now headed to go meet a buddy of mine, Simon, and go check out a new house, an open house. I guess he's kind of looking at open houses right now, and he brought out his baby. Yes, this is what it's like to get out of a Porsche GT. Welcome back. I've had so many welcome backs as of recent. I don't know which this is going to fall under as far as a video for you guys, but either way, this is the man in the machine. Woo! So this is the house that we came to visit. Very nice, incredibly nice. That is the car that I came to visit. Incredible car. Wow. That thing is a beaut. Gee whiz, it goes well with the house too, right? What do you think? My Performante or this carbon fiber Ford GT? Everywhere is carbon fiber on this car. Goodness gracious. That thing is a beaut. If you think I should try to snag one of those one day, I mean, together they just look absolutely impeccable. Yes. Alright, we're heading back to check out Simon's garage. Coolest garage in town, Ford GT wise. Well, and two. Simon's having some fun trying to reverse out of here. I love the reverse lights. It's beautiful. I love it. This is how you drive a Ford GT, low and fast. I freaking love it, man. Gosh, and this thing is clean up here. Did you wash it recently?
I know, I have been washing it.
How did you open that? Oh, it's on this side, right? Wait,
What's that?
the door
It's on the body wall.
on the wall.
Over here. No, on the actual car now.
Oh, right here. I'm like, oh, okay, there it is. It's the first time getting into Ford GT. I'm trying to figure out how Simon does this all the time. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Do you like grab anything? You
I just sit down first. Yeah. And then just drag your foot on this, because this is covered instead of yeah. Either way.
I'm good. I won't hit your thing. I'm a supercar owner too, and I know how to keep my foot from hitting everything. I have skills with that.
You know, when they delivered the car with the driver, like there was dirt all over here.
Oh, was it really? Oh yeah, no.
Like, come on, guys.
I kind of get cringy whenever people are kicking around their feet. Some of the ladies that have been in my car, not knowing what to do. But yes, I'm very cognizant. Oh my gosh, this is interesting. And yes, we are snug up shoulder to shoulder in this car. It smells good. And how many miles you got on it?
Whopping 1,000.
1,000. There's my baby. She's sitting right there. Cozy.
Okay, I'm gonna raise the front. I don't know if you can capture the capture.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it. Oh my gosh! That thing is quick to raise. Mine takes like 2 minutes, maybe 30 seconds, but still, that was quick. Wow. That is amazing.
And then, I think at 20 or 25 miles an hour, it'll click back down. It'll lower. Let's see. Here's, I think 25. There we go.
That quick?
Yeah, that's it.
That was quick. So he was going, and then instantaneously that thing just sat back down. Yes. The kid though, I needed to capture that kid's face. His smile was huge. But I would expect that to happen often with you in driving this car. Everybody just jaw drop. There's no space behind these seats. But I would not be able to get enough of this, man. The whole thing is carbon fiber. How do you feel on these roads? These roads are not fun in Houston. We don't like these roads. Oh my gosh. I'm such a kid. There's a red light. You're good, sir. Crosswalk for that. And do you run with any radar detectors? No? Typically? Not a radar detector guy.
I have it in the other one. I need to put it in here.
Yeah, you do.
That thing's epic, bro.
It is so gorgeous, isn't it?
Bro, that thing is fire. My God, you pulled up behind me. I was like, what is that?
I'm like a little kid in your car. But the fun thing about this experience right here, Simon's just as big of a kid as I am. Like his smile is from ear to ear, and he's driving. Well, mind you, he's driving this thing, so yes, it should be ear to ear. Worth the money. I won the allocation, but there's no more for me. So I'm just gonna have to live vicariously through Simon's 4GT. Even the freaking side view extension. One word, amazing. Enough said. Go buy a 4GT if you can find one and afford one. Simon, thank you so much for taking me for a ride. This was amazing.
Your thumb here.
Okay.
And then out with your elbow. Kind of simultaneous. Do it again.
There we go. There we go. Oh, this is what it's like to get out of a 4GT. Made it.
I'm going to pull it in.
Yep, go for it. That's awesome.
Racing and it's life. Anything that happened before or after, it's just waiting.